Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta and today I've got an unboxing for you. So this arrived yesterday. Let's get inside. So good old Amazon packaging. And then inside we've got a light pad, or as it's called here, a bright pad. So, just get rid of that box. Okay, so we've got an LED A4 bright pad with lithium ion battery. It is A4 sized, perfect for tracing, sketching and drafting. So let's have a look. On the back of the box, just again gives you a bit more information about it. Tells you what it contains. Okay, looking good. Oh, pop you out of there. Okay, so it's got its plastic coating and we've got a charging cable, which is the USB and C type. Yeah, nothing else in there. Pop that there. So this is the bit we're actually interested in. So, I've got little feet on the bottom, allowing us to have it at a comfortable working angle. Just a little security check thing. This gives us a bit of information. Yeah, so those of you that maybe have not used a light pad before, they're really useful for diamond painting, but obviously you can also use them for tracing, sketching, lots of other things. Looking at old photo negatives, if that's something that you have kicking about. Now, will this have any charge? Let's have a look. It might. Sometimes they come with a little bit of charge. Oh, it does have charge. There we go. So you can see that's the first setting. So we've got an on-off button, and then here we can choose to lower that brightness or raise the brightness. Ooh, very bright. Okay, just going to turn that off for a second so that we can. So this is a lovely size. It is A4. So if I just grab a bit of A4 paper, yeah, you can see it is A4 size and then the border. So you are getting a good size there. In terms of charging, does it say how long the battery life is? Oh, it does. Yes. So it says that it will fast charge in 2 hours and can be used for 46 hours, which is longer than most people will need it for. The cable is nice and long. Let's have a look. We've got 30, 60, 90. So it's a metre long cable, which is very nice. Obviously it comes in a convenient box for storage if you need it. I do have an A3 light pad, which you may have seen me use in videos previously. I opted for an A4 light pad because I just thought it might have a little bit of convenience, particularly if I'm working on a smaller project and I don't want to get out a huge thing. So if I just grab what I'm currently working on, and then you can have a little look. Okay, so this is my current project. If I add the light pad underneath, you can see how clearly that then shows up the area I've worked on versus the area that I've got to work on. So that's one of the benefits of using a light pad underneath your diamond painting, particularly if, like me, I get a lot of lens flare type issues with reflections. The trouble with having an overhead light shining on your work is that it will reflect off of the glue. This way, I've got the light coming underneath, it's diffused through the canvas, and I can see the symbols really, really clearly. I think for anyone that's got any sort of issues with their eyes or is concerned about eye strain, a small light pad can be an absolute lifesaver. A lifesaver. A lifesaver. So yes, it can be a lifesaver. So this will be really helpful when completing this canvas. But just pop that over there for now. So how much is something like this going to set you back? I just want to also show you how chunky this is. This is not a small flimsy piece of kit. This is going to withstand use, which is very important. Some that I've seen are incredibly thin, and I feel like when you push down on them, they're going to warp. This does not give me that concern at all. So, as I say, this came from Amazon. I will pop all the links down below so that you can find this for yourself. It is the RICUVED A4 light pad. It's currently listed on Amazon at $38.99. However, it does have free Prime delivery, and also currently they're offering a 20% off voucher. So that will then lower the price to £31.19. Because this is wireless, you don't have to worry about leaving it plugged in while you're working, so it gives you the freedom to move around. Wireless light pads tend to run a little bit more expensive, but I think that that's a very fair price for this product. Obviously, I need to use it and see how it works long term, but certainly from what I've seen fresh out of the box, I have no concerns, and I'm very excited to be able to make use of this. It's a really convenient size, and I am looking forward to using it for my future diamond painting projects. So that is all from me for today. I just wanted to make sure that you guys had seen this because I was very excited to get it. So yeah, as I say, links down below so that you can go and grab one for yourself should you wish. Not sponsored, just sharing my purchases. So yeah, please do check it out. Thank you for watching today. If you enjoy my videos, please do consider to leave a like, subscribe, become a member of the Crafty Coven, and I will see you in the next one. Stay crafty!